I'm gonna talk about menopause, alcohol, and the brain today. According to Lisa Mosconi, who is a menopause brain scientist in New York, if there is no HRT, so if there is no supplementation of estrogen during menopause, it shrinks the brain. So I highly recommend you to listen to this podcast if you haven't done so. So this is a brain image of a patient from Dr. Lisa before menopause, and you can see the activity, the red color of the brain before the menopause. And this is the brain image of the same patient after menopause, and as you can see, the red activity has significantly decreased. So again, this is the before-after brain image showing the significant decrease in brain activity due to menopause, but interestingly, alcohol does exactly the same. This is the reason why I comment on the alcohol consumption of my patients, because there was a study on 36,000 patients here in the UK. They checked 7 units alcohol per week, and it doesn't matter whether you drink 1 unit per day or 7 units during the weekend, it significantly shrinks the brain like menopause. So check out HRT if you are there and significantly decrease your alcohol consumption in order to protect your brain.